Hi, my name is Thong. On the 16th of July 2026 at CID Academy, we're going to do something very special, that is signing up private landowners. As a real estate agent, you and me, we want to sell land, but we cannot do the big scale township because nobody trusts us. So we do the small ones. So in this particular class, on the 16th of July 2026, we're going to use a special software. Let me go into the software for you to have a look. Okay. Here is the software. It's called Swarika Terrain Snapshot. Wow, what we're going to do is I'm going to look for a piece of land near my house, which is Sungabasi, Pataling Indah Condo. That's the landmark. I click it. I will go there. As I already know it's here. This piece of particular land here. So now, just like I see my friend Mazlin Ghazali, architect, he will need to know the boundary. So from here, we use a AI tool that we can actually see the boundary. Okay, roughly. So then after that, and this, and close the loop. Now you got a piece of land already. You have the land demarcated accordingly. And then the best part is we press analyze. Now, for those people who wants to know the grant number, you can actually take the coordinates, okay, from this part here, and then go to Japan, my lord, and then key in, and then immediately you can get it. Now, when we did the analysis, what did we do? We did that the highest peak, the highest part of the land is 42.9 meters, and then the drainage, the lowest, which is the road, will be 37.3 meters. So the land is actually a little bit of sloping. It has some sloping signs, yeah. And then after that, we send to grader. The grader is basically just a certain mountainous or hilly place. You need to cut, fill, and everything. So we have this particular land. Okay, it is. You can see it's actually this way. Yep. And then we balance and cut. We make sure some land. You can see that now it's balanced and cut. It's more flattened so that you can build a. In this case, will be a strata building, right? And then of course, then we move to the next part. It will start doing engineering on a piece of land, and then master planning. This is where you can plan the land, where you can put where the water is, like for instance, the water tank for your condominium. Okay. And then after that, we will common split. And then the smallest one we'll call it water tank. And then the other one, residential plot. And we confirm. So you can see from here very quickly, then we can calculate already. And the next thing we do, instant planner. Instant planner is where you convince the landowner to give you the land, because why? It takes only 75 by 22. Now I'm doing a landed property one first. So if you come for the class on the 16th of July 2026 from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., we will be doing one that is actually high rise. It's called fast rise software. So you'll be doing at least 3 software, which is free to use, and you need to come because this is pretty technical. It's a combination of an architect, surveyor, and engineer for a valuer and also valuation. Now, you as a real estate agent, when you call these people to do something for you, they will just ignore you. So how on earth are we going to sign up a small landowner, right? So once done, we solve this plot. Now let's do the terrace one. We will be doing the strata one when you come over for the training. Okay, and then full screen. There you go. You already have roughly a piece of land, but of course we will be doing a strata building on it. We are using another software called FastRise. So on the 16th of July 2026 from 2 to 5 p.m. 3 hours, we will be using 3 software by Swarika, specially designed with a combination of AI tools, so that we can actually do a presentation, do a proposal, and give it to the small landowner, and then we can impress him like as if we got an architect, an engineer, a surveyor working with. No, it is basic Swarika AI tools. So with that, my name is Thong. I hope to see you on the 16th of July 2026 on that day. Bye-bye.